Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to get your free domain name from Dreamhost separately from the web hosting. This way, if you don't have a domain name idea when you just discovered my Dreamhost for free offer, you don't rush and get yourself a bad domain name. Okay, the first step out of the three is getting the domain name. Under domain names, click on Manage Registrations. On the right of the screen, this a message confirms that you are eligible for getting a free domain. For this video, I'm getting myself the domain name benstestingdomain.com. Add your domain name to your cart and then click on proceed. This is an important step if you are using Dreamhost with your domain name with Dreamhost hosting. Choose the first option. If you are getting yourself domain hosting separately, or if you want to link your free domain name on Hostinger with another service such as Shopify or YouCan or Blogger, for example, you choose the second options. As you can see, the domain name is for free for the first year. Click on proceed to payment entry and click on register domain name. We have added the following domain name to our registration queue. This message is of the order confirmation. As you can see, the grand total is $0, which means we got our domain for free. The next step is the email address verification. This is an important step and you should not ignore in order to not lose your domain name. Click here to verify your email address. As you see, we have successfully verified our domain name. The last step is linking this domain name with our hosting on Dreamhost. To do so, click on Manage Websites. Click on Manage next to your new domain name. Click on Select your shared hosting or your WordPress Unlimited plan. Give this process 5 to 8 minutes to complete, and now we have linked our new domain with our hosting on Dreamhost. That was all for this video. If you like it, don't forget to like and subscribe to encourage me to create more tutorials. Thank you.